still sitting here alone. We should've did this already. Said I got an email today. Kinda thought that you forgot about me, but I wanna hit you back to say just like you, I get lonely, baby. I could really get to know you. Take my time and show you. Don't tell anybody what we do. When I get lonely, take me to another place where I'll be face to face, just you and me, with no rules, just like you.
Niggas talk a whole lot of stuff, but niggas are strangers. Come on now, you know Vaughn hang with a bunch of bangers. Straight animal, tight weight in the orangutan. And you know me, I come from a different angle. Don't get caught up in the game and get mangled. Now you sitting looking like you strangled. With these bars, I can pay parallels. And to all my old girls, I wish you well. I drop a penny in the mall and no wishing well, just to wish you well. Cause I've been through hell. Yeah, you ain't no gift. You a curse. As soon as I think I'm doing better, I'm doing worse. As soon as I think I got grass, I got dirt. I guess that's just how a nigga feel when he get hurt. She know I'm a star, so she know I'm about to burst.
I get lonely,